Yo, Rev 48. You know, it's called Mother Nature for a reason. The woman play a big part in life. Know your strength, baby girl.
You forget the best you did. Ain't always there when you call me.
I hear you, baby girl. This world wouldn't be shit without the woman. I know some women that's realer than the homies. When you keep it real with them, you'll know it. A woman intuition really keep them knowing. Through your dark days, she'll keep you glowing. I never knew what I knew, now I know it. She is the glue to your life when you're broken. By having pride as a man, you just ignore it. Even when her heart broke, she'll close it. No matter what level they on, they all chosen. She got that holy water in her, it's an ocean. You gotta know how to swim and know your motion. I'm like the genie in the bottle, she the potion. Caressing on her soft body with the lotion. The strength of a woman, my mother done showed me. I know you got a pure heart through your emotions.
You forget the best you did. Ain't always there when you call me.
I hear you, baby girl. So beautiful. Okay. I hear you, baby girl. Hey, I know life goes on, but I miss you. I died for my mother and my sister. I can't wait till the day I have some children. I can't be a baby daddy, that shit simple. When you're living like a father, you a winner. To all the fathers in the world, I salute you. And to the mothers in the world, hallelujah. If you're doing it by yourself, push through it. Everything you up against, you can handle it. I know you can't do it by yourself, but God see it. God make no mistakes, it be for a reason. When a child in your stomach, you feel a heart beating. You can do it by yourself, but it's not easy. I know the world don't, baby girl, but I see it. I speed life to your soul, I be trying to feed you. That soft touch from your hand keep my body heated.